All right, guys, welcome back. Right now it is 6:43 in the morning and it is a Wednesday, October 23rd. Countdown begins to Halloween. All right, so without further ado, let's get started. So, a lot of people are asking how many miles I have on my car, how many miles do I put on my vehicle. I'm putting way too many miles on my car. Well, I bought this car specifically for this. I'm putting miles on this car and I'm trading it for money. All right, guys, so without further ado, let's get started. Then taking us to, let's go. Right here, we're going 5 miles one way and 5 miles the other way. Let's get started. See how much money we can make. All right, and I'll update you. Got to go to work today, so I'm doing this in the morning and then heading out to work, and I'll update you with my total earnings and see how many we do. So first one, we're getting started, and keep in mind the amount that we're doing. We're only doing like for every 10 cars, for every 10 rides, we're making $100. So 20 rides, 200, 30 rides, 300. I haven't got to 30 rides, but we have 12 hours to do it before Uber will kick us off. So let's see how many we can do before we do. Today's not, I'm only working until maybe about 11, 12, but let's see how many we can do in the meantime. All right, guys, 5 minutes one way, 5 minutes the other way, and we get started, and let's pick them on up. Let's go. All right, guys, I just dropped that one off, and I picked up another one as soon as I dropped it off, and it was like a $21 trip, and it's going to, I think, the airport. But this one paid me $6.33, a couple minutes to drop them off, and now I'm starting on the other one. All right, guys, let's keep this money train rolling. This one that I picked up was 2.7 miles, just say 3 miles from where I dropped the other one to pick them up. And then I think this one's going to be a long drive, so I'll update you on the miles. I dropped them off. It'll actually show you, but I want to tell you how many miles it took me to get to this one. All right, guys, but always make sure you got gas before we start. This one, I'm on a quarter of a tank, and I'm going to put gas right now before I go pick these people up. All right. Just by the way, I recommend put gas before your trip. All right, and in between. All right, guys, let's go. All right, guys, we just finished that one right there, and it was a lot quicker than anticipated, and I have another one I just picked up. This one is 2 minutes to get to him, and then it does tell me it's like $10. And I'll update you, let you know the miles, but it takes me 2 minutes to get to him. I just dropped one off and I'm getting the other. All right, guys, let's go. So that first rider gave me $1 tip. So now I'm at $27. I'm on to pick up my third one. Third one's like $10, and it's only $7.52. All right, guys, I'll update you when I'm done with it. So I'm on my way to pick up my third one. Let's go. All right, so we just dropped that one off, and we're on to our next one. That one, let me see. What? We got a $5 tip from someone. Yeah, this was that one that was earlier. So it was $10, paid me $5, so that's $15. Let's go. And this next one that I'm fixing to do right now, it's going to pay me $13, I believe. So right now we're at 43, and it's $8.12. All right, guys, once we drop off this one, we're going to keep on looking for another one. It says 1 mile to pick them up, and then I think it's 15 miles, drop them off, but it's paying me $13. All right, guys, let's go. Still early in the morning, we can make some money. All right, guys, it is 8:56, and I'm at $60. I just dropped that one off, and I picked up another one. This one was a small one, but it's like a 5-minute ride one way and a 5-minute ride the other way, and it's paying me like $5. But I picked it up just to get out and keep on moving. Oh, wow, and look, I got a $5 tip, $4.58. Let me see who that one was. Yeah, that was this guy. Shoot, man, good. Oh, but it did take me a little bit longer than I thought. All right, guys, I just dropped him off, and where's that one taking me to? Let's get out. Come on, let's go. So we got matched, and so he just paid me $4 for that last one. This one's paying me 10. We're getting out of here. It's about 9:12. Where am I at? Let me see. 9:12, and I've made so far 65. That last one was but this one right here, we're getting out of this one, making 10 and keep on going. All right, guys, let's go. After I pick up and drop off this one, I need to pick me up like a $25 one. That way, give me my $100 and then get ready for the rest of the day. But I mean, if we can make $100 by 11, 4 hours, let's keep on trying to make as much as we can. All right, guys, I'll update you. And then also, which it ain't too bad, because right now I have 59 miles on my trip. That's when I put gas, and 59 miles, and so far made 65. So not too bad. I look at that too, because just looking at it, do I go off it all the time? No. Am I stuff I'm going to base everything on? No. I bought this car just to drive. Drive. I think it's not like I'm wasting my car. No. I maintain it, change the oils. Something goes wrong with it, fix it, keep on going. Cars are just going to be what cars are, regardless whether I put miles on it or not. The age will depreciate. Cars just do what that's what they do. Houses, on the other hand, are totally different, but not cars. All right, anyways, that's it. Let's go. All right, I just dropped that one off, and I'm at 75. That one paid me $10.45. And this other one I picked up, it's $18. It's 7 minutes to get to him, and then I think 20 minutes to drop him off. I'll update you and let you know on that one for sure. I know it's taking me a little bit, but I'll let you know. Let's go. All right, guys, I just finished dropping them off. That was $18. It was about 18 miles. So far, I'm at 94.15. And it is 10:30. So we're doing good time, but gotta take a real quick break. All right, guys, I'm almost coming to the end of my shift. All right, guys, let's go. All right, guys, just a quick update on that last one. They gave me a $5 tip. So with that $5 tip, puts me at $99.15. Let's go. And we still got 2 more drives. I'm gonna put my destination on, just to let you know. Destination on to get me home and to finish it up. All right, guys. So that one, I'm at $100, but I am gonna put my destination filter. And I also did forget to show you 107 miles that I've driven, and $99 what I got, just to kind of give you the idea of how much money and how many miles and how long. All right, guys. And also that was 7 trips. So total 7 trips, $100, 100 miles. All right, let's go. All right, guys.